Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Monday. It's May 21st. Hope you guys had a wonderful weekend here. We got kind of a quiet news day today. There's nothing on the economic calendar going on today, or there won't be anything even tomorrow as well. Most of the bulk of the economic data that will be released this week will be on Thursday and Friday, but even though we kind of pretty full days there. So let's kind of jump ahead here to the headline news. The stock market is currently up, and the Dow is actually approaching almost 300. It actually did touch 300 so far this morning, and a lot of it has to do with China. It's Steve Mnuchin, our U.S. Treasury, basically had made a comment saying that there was optimism basically in there that that we may hold off on trade on the tariffs on which China and that things were progressing on there. So of course, investors are optimistic about that things are moving along and on a positive note. And of course, now the stocks are up again here. Also later today, something else that could spoil the market or even help it further is a few Fed members will be speaking later today at various engagements. And anytime they speak, you just never know if something catches the ears and could spook it or make them even more optimistic. Those are different things that could could reflect the market going one way or the other as well. So let's wait and see. But if you guys want to get more information on that, you can see me on my Twitter account. I do post information out there. If anything out of the ordinary pops up on there, I do usually post on Twitter. But here's a look at the bond market and what mortgage-backed securities are doing and how interest rates are doing. So far we're down about 9 basis points. Not quite enough to do a price change for the worse. It's not, or even a pricing coming in worse. It's going to be pretty close to what we had on Friday. Now, the current positioning is we're up probably roughly 25 basis points here to the floor, and we're up about 40 basis points. You need to be careful because it could go one way or the other, but what you could do potentially is if you're in a transaction and looking to buy or refinance and haven't yet locked in, you may want to float a little bit and see one way or the other. But again, you'd want to be very careful that you might want to have a quick lock trigger because again, it could go one way or the other here. And here's another reason why is that we see the trend kind of breaking a little bit. We're going down a little bit here. We're currently up about 1 point here, so we're up about 3.08. But we're going to be potentially could be testing this floor of support here at the 3.04 mark. That we broke above last week. So again, we have a little bit of room to the downside here, which would help push mortgage-backed securities upwards, which would help interest rates improve a little bit here. That 0.4 basis points is almost a half a point. That could be very close to almost a quarter point in rate difference there. That's what that could translate to. All right, so that pretty much sums it up for the day. Rates are about the same as where we left off from Friday. If you guys want to get more information, especially if there's any changes in the market, you can visit me at Twitter and follow me there at Mike Bjork. And otherwise, enjoy the rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. Look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.